Hello. Well, I'm opening up my other American Girl doll. Let's see if I can get her open. Okay, let's see if I can get her open. All right. Now we get her out of the box. See? There she is. All right. All right. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see if I can get her out of here. Ah, there we go. See? Yep, there's my other one. Get these white things off. All right. See? There we go. Yep. Pretty cute, isn't she? I named this one Elena Rose Gilbert after Elena Gilbert from the Vampire Diaries. Her middle name is Rose because Rose is my favorite flower. Yeah, and I really love her. So yeah. And that's my opening of my doll. See ya, and make sure you subscribe.